We slept very well last night here at the truck stop. It is now morning. We got our generator going and the coffee is brewing. I made us some egg salad. We've got our snacks right here, ready to put them in the Jeep as we travel. So Birmingham and Alabama, here we come. We're going straight through, hopefully make it to Texas today.
Hopefully going to
Houston.
Waco.
Waco? We'll see. We are currently going through the state of Alabama. Our goal is Alabama, Mississippi, Louisiana, and then end up in Texas. That's going to be like an 11-hour trip from here. We don't know if we're going to get it all in, but we'll see. It is super rainy and gross outside, so it's not really anything we can stop and do. So we're just going to enjoy each other's company, play with Chewy, and put some miles on this trip.
So now we're going to make sure that the new alternator looks just like the old alternator. So
It's shinier.
they look exactly the same.
Thank you, AutoZone. So I know our goal was to get to Texas today. However, it does not look like we're going to get to Texas. We had an alternator and battery issue. So we've stopped and we fixed that. And now we'll just see where we end up once we get all done. So $450 later, Sparky has a new alternator. Look how shiny that alternator is. And he has a new battery. It's a gel battery. So therefore, it's supposed to be better in Alaska. So it's a good thing. So we're somewhere in Mississippi. And the people here at this AutoZone are super nice. So it is now the end of day 2 on our journey to Alaska. Unfortunately, we didn't get as far as we wanted to today. We had some car trouble. We've got it fixed and we're somewhere in Louisiana, not far from the Texas border. So we're gonna get some sleep. I think we're staying at a Love's truck stop. Yeah, I think we're at a Love's truck stop tonight. And then we'll probably get up in the morning, get some showers, and get on the road. And tomorrow we get to see the Alamo.